Hey, Kyle here. I bought a cargo net. Thing is like maybe a foot wide and I don't know, maybe 3 foot across. And I'm thinking I'm going to put it on top of this middle shelf hanging from the second or the attic shelf, so I can put things in there and they stay secure. Seems to be a lot of wasted space up here in the second shelf. So they come with these, either these, I don't know, these, what are these things called? These nipples. Or these spring clasps. I think I'm going to use the knobs here. I already got a couple of them up, and they're sticky on the back, so you can stick them, and then also they give you screws. So what I'm thinking about doing is I have a couple of them secured here, but I want to kind of get it centered and even. So the first one that I put here is about 7.5 inches. And then this one is about not 7.5 inches. Let me make sure that that's correct. Yeah, about 7.5 inches to the middle. 7.5 inches. So I kind of gonna push that on. Kind of want to dry fit this first before I screw into the top. And then these loops come apart relatively easy. So what I'm gonna do is fit one of these sides. Let's see, probably needs to be this one. Okay, and then this one, oh, I can already tell that I need to put it a little bit, yeah. I probably need to push that one back a little bit further, and then this will drape across and be up here at the top, so I can put stuff in here. You can see that this is, so we're going to try that. I'm going to take that one off. I think this one's good. I'm going to take that one off. I'm going to put it towards the back here. Make this loop a little bit bigger. Doesn't want to go on. You need 2 hands to do this. Yeah, that looks okay. And then, yeah. So now let's do the other side here. I'm going to put them about 7.5 inches. So let me peel the sticky tape off. Oh, actually, you know what? This might, well, we'll try. We'll see if it interferes with anything. I don't think that I've got anything too tall that goes in this basket. let's see. It's about right about there. All right, so let's make this loop a little bit bigger. That one goes in the back.
Why isn't this going on?
Okay, and now let's see if this will actually stretch. Oh. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to be able to. Oh, probably because it's woven around. Yeah, kids. I'm really. How did I do that? Oh, it goes in the front. There we go. Okay.
What?
I knew that was going to happen. At some point, I knew that was going to happen. So let me... I knew it. Well, as long as that stays put... Yeah, I think that'll work. That should work. Does it look even? Does it look even? It looks relatively even. All right. I think that... Let me get you guys situated here again. I think I'm going to try this. You know what? If it doesn't work, so be it. Let me take this off. Let me situate this. Put this at 7.5 inches again. Actually, it probably needs to go a little bit further up. This thing is, the center is 2.5 from 2.5. 2.5. All right. Okay. I think that I've got them relatively even here. You know, these things, there they go. They then constrict. You know what? I don't know if I'm going to be able to get my screwdriver in there. Don't know if I'm going to be able to get my screwdriver in there. I might have to do that one by hand. Okay, so we're going to try this. I think that'll work. So now all we need to do is, I hate screwing into the hiker. All right. So, what will go up here? Let's figure out. What will go up there? I've got like these miscellaneous things that don't have any place to go. Not exactly what I was thinking, but they do have a place where, you know, they can be secured. Last time I did this, I put these things in here and they were all over the place. So, is it exactly what I wanted? No. Will it do? Sure. Making these tighter would have been better? I don't know. I mean, they seem pretty tight to begin with. Even if I had them tighter, would it make a difference? You know, maybe I will make them tighter. Yeah, it's only gonna bring these things in. I mean, there's only so much you can do there. All right, well, it'll do. It'll keep these things from flopping around. I mean, they'll still flop around, but they won't be totally in the way. If not, I can put other stuff up here. So, all right, that's it for here. Maybe I'll change this up. I don't know. So, if you get one of these, now you know what to do. All right, see you later.